Hey guys, Steve here, and in this PD Visual Prints review I'm going to show you what this is, and I'm going to give you a PD Visual Prints overview, and I'm going to also give you a PD Visual Prints bonus that you can get if you buy from my link. So what is PD Visual Prints? So this is a new course that's going to show you how to make money with public domain content and then make simple products that you can upload, that you can post to one of the biggest marketplaces that people go and they buy merchandise from. And when you combine these two things, it's a quick and easy and free system, and it's very easy to get started and make money with. Now, I have experience with this. I have done this myself. I'm actually doing this right now, and this is one of the best times to get into this. As this video is made, it's approaching the end of the year here in 2020. This works anytime, but it really works good when you get around the holidays, you get into the big buying seasons where people are doing a lot of shopping. And this is something quick that you could jump into right now and make money with. So what this course does is it gives you a system. It shows you the process to use public domain content and how to take it, how to create merchandise, and then how to sell it. Let's do a quick overview of what public domain content is. So if I go out to a site like Pixabay, public domain content can be used for any purpose. You don't have to purchase any rights to it. It can be used for anything. So let me give you an example. Let's say I want to create some merchandise for dogs. I would do a quick search for dogs. And then usually you want to use what is called vector art on these types of products. So I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to find a cute picture of a dog. Let's use this one for our purposes. So I could actually take this art right here, which is public domain, and I could put it on a t-shirt or a mug or anything I wanted to and sell it. At that point, it's my product, and I don't have to pay anybody royalties for the product that I've created. So let's go back to what the course is. That is what she's teaching you. And she has a lot of experience with this, and she's going to show you how to take 100% free content, much more in depth than what I just showed you. I gave you a quick example, but that is what she's going to go into, how to get this free public domain content and how to use it to make money with merchandise. Now, this is also known as POD, or print on demand, and print on demand merchandise is a great way to create your own products. And the nice thing about this method is you don't have to carry any inventory like, typical e-commerce. You create these quick products and you can upload them to different marketplaces. And I'm going to go into the marketplace that she recommends and that I also recommend. It's very easy to get started. There's a lot of buyers that are willing to pay good money for these types of products. So you can create multiple income streams with print-on-demand merchandise and using this public domain content. And she's showing you some examples of Etsy, which is the platform and the marketplace that I recommend as well. And she goes in and she shows you some of the different niches you can get into and some of the different types of products that you can create. Here's some stats on Etsy and this marketplace in general. And as you can see, it's steadily been growing over the last 8 years, and it's just getting bigger and bigger and bigger. Now, not only is there Etsy, but there are also other marketplaces that you can sell on. You can sell on Amazon and some of these other marketplaces which allow to post these types of products. So the beauty of this is you can create one product. So you create a t-shirt and you can post it out to multiple marketplaces and just scale out and exponentially improve your profits. And here's what you're going to get when you order at PD Visual Prints. You're going to get the in-depth PDF guide. She's going to tell you how to get the free content. She's going to tell you where to look for the public domain content to use in your products. And she's going to show you how to create these new in-demand products with just a few clicks. And it really is that simple. You don't have to have any experience. You don't have to be techie. This is very simple. Anybody can do this stuff. And then she's going to show you how to create the products and how to get them fulfilled. So basically all you're going to do is you're going to upload these products. You're going to have a printer or a company that's going to print the products and send them out for you. You're going to list them on Etsy, and all you do is you sit back and you create more and more products and you collect the profits. This is a complete 95-page guide. It's very detailed. Here's kind of a summary and overview of what you're getting. She's got nice checklists that you follow, so it's a step-by-step system that you follow, and it's very easy to get started. Now also she's got easy to follow videos over the shoulder, which shows you step-by-step how to find the content, how to create your products, and how to list them on Etsy. She also includes 100 image assets that you can use right away. So here's some other examples, kind of like what we looked at before when I showed you the dog example. You could take any of these that are public domain, you could put them on different types of merchandise, you can list it and sell it as your own, and it's really that simple. So this is a very detailed guide on how to get started with this. This is a very simple, easy, and fun business that you can start today if you wanted to. And then if you sign up, you get these bonuses from her also. You get the Etsy Quick Start Guide. So Canva is an online graphics editor program that you can use to create your designs. It's very simple, so you don't have to use Photoshop or any paid software. You can use free Canva online. So again, here's a summary of everything you're getting. You're getting the 95-page guide, you're getting detailed checklists, you're getting the over-the-shoulder videos. She's giving you 100 done-for-you visuals that you can use right away. And then the bonuses, you're getting the Easy Canva Publishing Guide, and you're getting the Etsy Quick Start Guide. So that's a huge value for the money. This is on discount right now. I don't know how long this price is going to be like this, so I would grab this now with the bonuses. And I have one other PD Visual Prints bonus for you. If you buy from my link, I'm going to give you full access to my course, which I created last year about this time, but this is evergreen. It's never going to go away. It's going to be the same year after year, and it's only getting better. My course is very similar. I go and I show you how to create print-on-demand products. I show you how to list them on Etsy, and these are some of the results I've had. As you can see in this example, I had a $2,000 month. It's very easy once you get started to have $100, $200 days, as you can see. And especially coming up here for Christmas, the end of the year, this is the best time to get into this. You can have some very profitable days. This works year round, and that's one of the beauties of this system. People are always looking to buy gifts. They get on Etsy, and they just buy these types of products left and right. So my system is very similar. I use Etsy as well. That's what I've been doing. You can create merchandise by going out and grabbing that free public domain content, and you can put it on hoodies, t-shirts, tank tops, pillows, hats, phone cases, backpacks, and the list goes on and on and on. And just like in her course, I show you step by step how to get the content, how to find the printer, how to list it. I go a little deeper on Etsy SEO and how to optimize your listings and how to get the most traffic. So in the front end course, you get the training module, how to get started. I show you how to set up your profit base. I show you how to create the products. I show you how to market the products. And then I show you how to have success over time. Now that is just the front end course. Also, you get these bonuses. You get a cheat sheet. Tips on how to crush your competition, and then any updates you're going to get for free. But also what I'm giving you is I'm giving you not only the front end, but I'm giving you the 2 upsells as well. So you're going to get full access to everything. And the 2 upgrades are extra resources, so extra ways to get designs and create designs. And then the second upsell is how to scale once you find those winning products and how to make as much money as possible. Now, if you were to buy all of this, the front end, the upgrade number 2 and the upgrade number 3, the value of that is about $100. But I'm giving you this bonus absolutely for free if you buy now from my link. So go ahead and grab PD Visual Prints right now. Get everything that's included, get all the bonuses, and then get my bonus for my course. And you're going to have everything you need to get started with your own print-on-demand business using public domain content and creating print-on-demand merchandise that you can list on Etsy and other marketplaces and start your own business. So I hope this PD Visual Prints review was helpful for you. Make sure to grab the bonuses and buy now, and I will see you on the inside.